This tutorial review will show you how to save document from WhatsApp on iPhone. So if someone send you a document on WhatsApp, it could be a PDF, Word or Excel, and you want to download this on your iPhone, just follow me to do it. Open your WhatsApp and open the conversation. Tap on the document you want to save. Tap on the share option at the bottom left corner of the screen. And now all you have to need, just tap on save to files. Select a folder where you want to save it. Tap on save. And now to see the saved document, go to your Files app. Select the folder where you saved the document and search for the document. So this is how we can save document from WhatsApp on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial reviewer. See you in the next video.